Mama Akwaba, wa friend me Adwa searching mesro. Now was subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusianfo ene Ghana food no mo for more kan wadwen e de akere Oman FM edwuma for so mo nim no mo jai eye Hopeson adoye ekotena wa kekensema Oman FM channel no anase TV station na FM station e begu because Hopeson adoye onye trusted person e say mo entertain you know e wo mu station hono na de ntina Ghana food be e kase ansa na me de nsema mo aka bebro no ye and some so NPP party during elections or flag bearer. A year oral cash and penfubia, including now flag bearer Dema NPP Amayoko, His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Bawumia Omokamu Etwaba. Now after election no ye ni people winning as say or ye candidate Dema NPP Amayoko no. Now after elections no ni sembe bring a course. Now in some course and I think NPP for to me a solve the issue now bring a man for and as someone na ya woman na back. Now oral and cash one person or ye NPP mo penny pa na or let's say about tonight what so you know na esen ko no di kunim omo awie media ma vice president into on the what no wakot the party a movement party na Hopeson adoye so NPP no no so chese no support oral and cash it is what no do no so support no na okọ supporting no ene nya hugro so campaign na oyo nsem enhwe kwa mi nkwa na Hopeson adoye keka adenya NPP who failing na Ghana force na so na administration friends NPP administration e ko kan nti failing no mo failing na no so we failing Hopeson adoye nti no ase enda say o chena say ensem hunya na no okotena Oman FM a o ken sem na Ghana food be so we for mama no client ensem a ekoso
paralysis and become inefficient.
Before of the class, the whole US state back home as so saying Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire and Burkina Faso combined. Bisa said the whole US 50 states were both secretaries of state here saying Bisa no.
And this one says one of the maximum of laws is he who seeks equity must come with a clean hand. When Alan was a minister under both President Kufuor and Anado, he failed woefully. To control fiscal policy doesn't involve small ministers. Why do you attribute 1D, 1F to him as his brainchild, whilst at the same time saying he wasn't a president? In 2007, when President Kufuor supported him during presidential primaries, it was normal. He is not a leader. The other actual Mekaya Martin Luther Olaboni and Odiwe by. While someone will be Oman Boye, Hopeson is saying this. So what should we call them? What they are doing is not fair. They should stop that. When Mr. Wanfaudi and Kaho, Mama Gloria, okay, Gloria.
Guardians on Ghana Constitution, Obiago freedom of association.
Please ask Hopeson which party should sponsor a candidate for them to come and then use them as ministers. And political parties in the day.
32 years, yeah, market time.
This one says, if you want us to continue listening to Oman, we don't want to listen to people who support Alan. Yes, I was all back. Or Abraham, who's from?
Okay, I'm over the oh, my FM, one move, okay, meeting, I know because I won't cancel so I my FM, yes, how my FM, man, no something. What be that?
So I can't say one of which one will be a Munti. Now, the Akamuku Tia, Makuma Bell, Akumaya, and answer no answer as okay. Oh, Jaja, men support you.
Cannot talk about Oman FM the two. So best petit Hopeson.
Until the American say, say, on our chum, some Muntia and Makuma Betomo. Yes. And I'm some now almost one can want you and the down the crowd that them a Juma will be you. So this is the country we are running today. We'll school, school. Active 7 years, when you do my
so can ya na media wo me tumu. Ana media obi ba be system mu anya adwuma ye. No, China has almost won the industrial revolution. How many years? It takes you 32 years. The whole world is going to China. Who America shop bia we yata the job bia no. We check it. We made in China.
Yeah.
Made in China.
Yeah.
What would you tell them?
Let's just push it. Let us me and say campaign Dr. Bamia started.
Yeah.
Campaign I started from Eastern region.
Yeah.
Campaign no a conventional campaign will be any. Okokro no so a. Na we ni say wo hia asofo. No more bompae. No hia imam fo. No more bompae. No kohia hemfo. No omo so akasa. Omo bompae wi na wa kire omo. We ni na me ba me. No more bisa no question bia na we ya no. No move akwa hemfo. No so aye. No move akọ house to house. Yes. Selected areas. No akona omo aye. When you hear no be youth connect. Nti ebefa youth na be gina assembly hall na ono omo akasa.
Yeah.
So what is see dwamu no? Oja fa yere mu. And no also nyani o. But obi ante because the newspapers didn't even capture. Because substance and even the media
communication be by omo former communication
director
officer.
Yes.
Omo de any officer.
Yes, we are
Solomon Cancer.
Yes.
That time propaganda. No, propaganda.
So a very very important say mini umi no nyina no. When I so share on your Facebook wall, share on your TikTok. Yeah. When Juma send a bear at least Ghana for Nina. Any Togo for.
I am the shower. I'm Pampa cancer.
We oko we ahafwa. I hear ne kan. Se bonun kwala. Omo na omo ba akra ene kumasia omo eye. Ene ye the free secondary school buy no ebi ni hobium on kwala no e ka hoko school
no you observe it
there is the video
oh yeah because oh na so obi aba me fie be ye
afen no agina ba so
because ya o yezongo ni
me na kasa no but me na me jae
so anti watching the American actual communicators no na no me Richard share McCashin. What can I say and with education? Because there was massive story to tell about education and Nana Akufo-Addo from 2017.
Na menso etrobia na menso me yedwa ministry ne kakra. Na no minister North Station omo enka bi ma party
you see
etrobia monso monye yi kakra
before I say education minister
obi so
before say education minister eba be corner so kwakọ
Kasade honorable chairman Kasade we have a PR at the ministry and ka watimi afa ways and means bi etimi ni media house so a omo betimi akasa ma ban ni onyama pagya was akwa no so kana watwe nyina mu ma take over airwaves
no to na nka
na mo ye ni nyina mo nya so akwasi practice station akwa
na education minister bi menya adwuma o
no, sorry.
The good story.
But you are good. In terms of, you are very good.
The good story of Minister of Education.
Sorry. Radio Rwanda here, why? Radio Rwanda. And I'm back here. What Africa TV ISIS. Mokotena no masa atwa mo masa ma moko kan bia sa de atiamo na mo afa mu nsagumuti. Radio ISIS ni TV Rwanda.
And education sector no your massive story na that time what imagine ni na mambe
ni na wo di kika wo ye ntete ho
oh da be ntete ho kwa mama
ene mama akwa fa ntete ho me ko stream mesaba ntinu alaji
anti let's communicators o kan asem yin awia you education one policy na na do boarding ya NDC nya kwan ye advert nkwa makomako 36 against here na aba into fruition na enkrofo twa so abapa emma this year oko passing rate all those statistics here the two says here from English first they call math science social studies near the two now they compare the previous years time MPP take over English passing rate was below 40%. Today we are talking about 62, 63%. Mathematics was about 35. Mathematics is around 75. So, and the Oko science, integrated science now is heading towards 70% from 30%. Oh, and she said your mama and Crawford Jina baby, Nasa Omoko say ye Cherankola, the Antino more passia, Omoko University there. Said the area there be area Mabeka on Oko University when I say when she again how could be you but go to the universities, the lecturers will tell you, say even more bano are better because they are having better tuition. Yade lanzaja exams by then Crawford Gusu na say and the teachers no obia or per year okuta lances are or maso no or koyuki no kwa compare you my abragana bana bon hoka. To say the Debiana Mecano. Me Dame Gabia free Northern Region or call UK. As a trained teacher set E or Koi, he has to study about 1.5 years before he was able to teach. Yakola. Sana meka. Ala.
You mean